So you're 18, fresh out of high school, maybe considering college, maybe not. The world is telling you to go find a job, but you've got that fire in your gut. The kind that says, I want to start a business. But here's the problem. You've got ideas, ambition, and time. What you don't have is money. Guess what? That's not a deal breaker anymore. Welcome to the new era of entrepreneurship, where grit, hustle, and a Wi-Fi connection matter more than startup capital. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a business at 18, even if you're flat broke. We're talking real steps, real tools, and no fluff. This guide is made for you, the dreamer who doesn't want to wait until they're 30 to figure it out. And don't worry, by the end, I'll drop some powerful free and low-cost tools you can start using today to launch your business without a single dollar in your pocket. Let's get into it. 1. Mindset comes first. Before we even talk about what business to start, let's talk about something more important: your mindset. Most people fail not because they didn't have money, but because they quit too soon or got distracted. At 18, distractions are everywhere. Parties, TikTok, your friend who thinks crypto is a personality. You've got to lock in. Think of your business as your mission. Every day you're either getting closer or further away. Discipline, motivation, consistency, talent, action. Excuses. Write that down. 2. Identify your skills and interests. You don't need capital, you need skills. So ask yourself, what am I good at? What do people come to me for help with? What do I love doing even when no one's paying me? Now combine that with what can help others solve a problem. This is where real businesses are born. Examples: good at writing, freelance copywriting, into fitness, online coaching or fitness content, love dogs, pet sitting or dog walking, handy with tools, offer to do small repairs or assemble furniture locally. Your first business doesn't need to be your forever business. It's your training ground. 3. Choose a business model that costs $0 to start. Let's be honest. Some businesses need money up front. Opening a cafe, starting a clothing line, etc. But here are 5 business models you can start for $0. 1. Freelancing. Offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or even virtual assistants. 2. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Pick one platform, build around your interests. Monetize later through affiliate marketing or digital products. 3. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions without having to create or ship anything. 4. Dropshipping with caution. Sell products without holding inventory. Use platforms like Shopify with DSers, affiliate tool, to automate it. 5. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, online courses. Create once, sell forever. You've got options. You just need to pick one and run with it. 4. Validate your idea for free. Before building something for months, make sure people want it. Here's how. Ask your friends, family, or followers what problems they have in your niche. Use free tools like Google Trends, answer the public, or Reddit to see what people are searching for. Post your idea on social media and gauge interest. You don't need 10K followers, you need 10 people who care. Once someone shows interest, offer a basic version for free in exchange for a testimonial. That's your proof. 5. Build your business with free tools. Time for the juicy stuff, the actual tools you can use without spending a dime. Here's your toolkit. Website portfolio. Card Simple, one-page sites, great for service businesses. Notion, build a portfolio or landing page, free and super customizable. Graphic design. Canva, create logos, pitch decks, social media graphics, even thumbnails. Drag and drop simple. Marketing and content, Buffer or later. Schedule social media posts for free, CapCut. Edit videos straight from your phone. Project management, Trello or ClickUp. Organize tasks, clients, content schedules, free forever plans. Client communication, Zoom or Google Meet. For calls and presentations. Calendly, let people book calls with you on autopilot. File sharing and docs. Google Drive store, share, and collaborate. Doc send documents and see if people open them. With this tech stack, you can look like a pro even if you're just starting in your bedroom. 6. Get your first clients without spending a dime. Here's the million-dollar question. How do I get people to pay me if no one knows me? Good news? You don't need a fancy marketing budget. You just need hustle. Here's how to get your first clients. 1. Cold outreach. DM businesses on Instagram. Message creators, email local shops. Don't beg, offer value. Example: hey, I noticed your Instagram could use some fresh graphics. I'm building my portfolio and would love to create 3 for free. If you like them, we can talk more. 2. Referrals. Ask your friends, family, or past schoolmates if they know someone who needs your service. 3. Facebook groups and subreddits. Join groups related to your niche and engage genuinely. Answer questions, offer help, then pitch when it feels right. 4. Fiverr and Upwork. It's crowded, but it still works. Create a standout profile, offer competitive rates, and over-deliver. 5. TikTok or Instagram Reels. Make short videos around your niche. Show before-after results. People are watching and buying. 7. Reinvest in yourself. The first $100 you make, don't buy shoes, don't buy weed, don't flex on the gram, reinvest it. Here's where your early money should go. Better tools. Canva Pro, Zoom Pro, domain name. Courses and mentors. Stick with people who've done what you want to do. Ads, maybe, only after you've validated your offer and can handle the traffic. Remember, your business is your baby. Feed it before you feed your ego. 8. Scale smart. Once you've got momentum, it's time to grow. Ask yourself, what can I automate? What can I outsource? What offers can I add? Use tools like Loom. Record your screen to train virtual assistants. Zapier. Automate repetitive tasks. Stripe or PayPal. Accept payments easily. And if you're making consistent income, register your business officially. Get your legal stuff in order. It's not glamorous, but it's what separates the wannabes from the real ones. So, let's recap. You don't need money to start a business at 18. You need a mindset that's locked in, a skill that solves real problems, a lean, no-cost business model, free tools that do the heavy lifting, hustle that never quits. And remember, your first business isn't about making millions. It's about learning, building confidence, and proving to yourself that you can do this. You're not too young. You're not too broke. You're not too late. You're exactly where you need to be. The only question is, are you going to sit back and watch others build your dream, or are you going to start today? If this video gave you the push you needed, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're just getting started. Drop a comment and let me know what business idea you're starting, and I'll reply with my personal feedback. Till next time, build bold, start smart, and stay hungry.